our people here that this intimidation is pure political intimidation. Hakuna kitu ingine. Purely political intimidation. There is no reason why more than 50 police officers can wake up to my office, to my home, and almost another 200 deployed to various ministers' offices in my government. And the reason is only one, and they are targeting only my ministers who perform, because they want to make my government a failure. Yes. The record that we have, and I want to announce to anyone who wants to seek the governorship of Kiambu, it is the people of Kiambu who elect the governor, not the police, not EACC. Yes. You want to soil our names, and I want to tell the Republic that somebody called me, a very senior officer, and told me, Wewe, even if you are going to finish your governorship, you will be so dirty, we will have made you dirty enough. I will not be cowed and I will not be intimidated. I will stand by the principle that our people deserve right in Kiambu County. That I will do what I'm supposed to do as a governor. Some people are afraid of my development record. I'm going to double that record. Yes, I'll make a double. There is a whole pile of documents, a whole pile, and we'll release them to you to see. A whole pile from documents about my birth certificates to the birth certificates of my children, graduation certificates, to work that we did in the year 2009, to even other petty from all over. There is nothing specific that they were looking for. But here, the mission is simple. Find something to make Wamatangi and his government go down, and find something to make them look dirty.